ahead. Do it now.
Today's Will's birthday.
Will's birthday. How old is baby Will?
3.
Is baby Will 3? How old is baby Will? What's that?
1.
1. Is he having a good birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's stuck on your ear.
I don't want it.
You don't want it.
I want it on.
Who's your favorite? Tell me something funny.
Panda bear, where's the panda bear eat?
What about the beach?
No, where's the panda bear eat? You
What-
have to ask me.
What do panda bears eat?
Branches.
Branches. That's funny, I guess. Hey, Lucy, you like Daddy's shirt? What'd you tell Daddy his shirt looked like?
He looks like a bottle.
But it's a cool shirt though, right?
Did you tell Daddy his shirt was cool?
Yeah.
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 It's always time for cake.
It is almost time for cake.